Let us discuss problems on square roots and squares. Exercise 6.3, fifth problem. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number. Find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Here we can find out the perfect square number. What is the multiple of the whole number? What is the less of the multiple of whole number? That we can do from the prime factorization of the number. We can find out which number is suitable, and we should multiply the suitable number on both sides so we get the perfect square number. Again, we can find out the square root of such square number. Okay. Now, we can take the first problem. The first problem is 252. 252 can be doing or find out the prime factors by the method of the prime factorization. Here division method, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 is the remainder, 2 6s are 12. Okay. The same way, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. See here 2 is in pair, 3 is in pair, but 7 is not in pair. So 252 equal to 2 into 2, it is in pair, into 3 into 3, it is in pair, but 7 is not in pair. So we should multiply here. 7 is not in pair. So the smallest whole number is is 7. We should multiply both sides with 7. 252 into 7 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now, the prime numbers are in pair. So, here, multiply the left side. 7 2s are 14. 1 is the carry. 7 5s are 35 plus 1, 36. 3 is the carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 1764 equal to 2 into 3 into 7 whole square. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 6 7s are 42. So it is 42 whole square. From this we can write it as square root of 1764 is equal to 42. And 42 square equal to 1764. They are asking the square number. The square number is here. Therefore, the square number is 1764. Smallest multiple whole number is 7, and the square root of 1764 equal to 42. They are asking these three numbers. Okay. In the same way, the second problem. Second one is 180. Do with the prime factorization. 2 9s are 18, 2 zeros are 2 4s are 8, 1 is the remainder, 2 5s are 10, 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9. Here clearly 180 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here 5 is not in pair. Therefore, smallest whole number is equal to 5. 180 is multiplied with 5 on both sides. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So now 5 is in also pair. It is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 eights are 44, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 is 9. 900 equal to 2 into 3 into 5 whole square. 2 threes are 6, 6 fives are 30, 30 square. Here 900 equal to 30 square. From this, square root of 900 equal to 30. Therefore, it is a square number. This is a square root number. Okay. Third problem. 1008 divide with 2, or we can find out the prime factors by the method of the prime factorization. 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Now 2s are in pair, but 7 is in not pair. So 1008 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Here 7 is not in pair. So the smallest multiplied number is 7. Both sides multiply with 7. 1008 into 7 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. 7 8s are 56, 0, 7 1s are 7 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Write one time and the whole square. Here 7056 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. 84 whole square. Now 7056 equal to 84 whole square. Square root of 7056 equal to 84. Here square number is 7056. Square root of 7056 is 84. Fourth problem. 2028. Find the prime factors by the method of the prime factorization. Here 2 1s are 0, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 1 is not going, 2 zeros are 0, 1 is the remainder 14, 2 7s are 14. Here 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 27. Here 169 is the 13 square, that is prime factorization. 13 is the prime number, it is the 13 square is the 169. So in that case, we recollect the squares: 17 square, 19 square, 13 square, 11 square. Those are the prime numbers. If we know the prime numbers, if we know the perfect squares from the prime numbers, for the prime numbers, so we can easy to collect from the squares of the prime numbers. So here 169 means we know that 13 square is 169. Here 13 is a prime number. Again we check it 5, 7 and 11, then 13. But I know it, 169 is the square root of 13, or 13 square is 169. So here 2 is in pair, 13 is in pair, but 3 is not in pair. So 2028 can be written as 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 3. Here 2 is in pair, 13 is in pair, but 3 is not in pair. 3 is not in pair. So the smallest multiple of whole number is 3. So both sides multiply with 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 3 into 3. So it makes into perfect square. So 8 3 is the 24, 2 is carry, 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8, 0, 3 to the 6 is equal to 2 into 13 into 3 whole square. Okay. Here 13 3 is the 39, 39 to the 78. 78 whole square, or 26 into 3 is 18, 2 3 is 78. So 78 whole square equal to 6084 is a perfect square number. Square root of 6084 equal to 78 is square root. Okay. Fifth problem. 1458. Find out the factors from the factorization method. Here even number is there, so choose the 2 is the minimum prime number. 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 2 9 is 18, 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9, 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3, 3 9 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9. 3 are in pairs. So 1458 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is in 3 pairs, 2 is not in pair. Here 2 is not in pair. So reduce to perfect square. We should multiply with 2 on both sides. Okay, 1458 into 2 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here one pair, one pair, one pair, one pair is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 whole square equal to multiply with 2. 2 8 is 16, 1 is carried. 2 5 is 10 plus 1 11, 1 is carried. 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9, 2 1 is 2. It is equal to 2 3 is 6, or 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 2 is 54 whole square. So 2916 is the 54 whole square. Square root of 2916 equal to 54. Therefore, it is a square number. It is the square root. Okay. Sixth problem. 768, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 3s are. Here 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. 3 is not in pair. So 768 equal to 2 into 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 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 3 is not in pair. So we should multiply with smallest whole number 3 on both sides. Then it makes into perfect square. So 768 into 3 equal to 2 into 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 3 into 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 whole square. 8 3 is 24, 2, 8 3 is 6 3 is 18 plus 2, 20. 7 3 is 21 plus 2, 23. So 2304, that is 2304 equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 3 is 48, 48 whole square. Therefore, square number is 2304 is a square number. Square root of 2304 equal to 48 is the procedure how we can find out the prime factors or the perfect squares and perfect square roots. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number. So obtained. First one 252, second one 2925, third one 396, fourth one 2645, fifth one 2800, sixth one 1620. Here I am doing the first two and the fifth one. Remaining you can try it. I am first, second and fourth one I can do. The remaining three you can try yourself. Okay. Here the first question is 252. By the prime factorization method, we can find out the prime factors. In that, what is the number not in pair? We should divide such number on both sides, then get into perfect square. After that, we can take the square root. Okay. Here, the 252 is divided with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. Here, 252 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Here clearly 7 is not in pair. 7 is not in pair. So the 252 is divided with the 7 divided with 7, then it should be, we get perfect square. So 252 is divided with 7. It is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 is divided with 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are get cancelled. From this, 7 3s are 21. 4 is the remainder. 7 6 are 42. It is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 2 into 3 whole square. So, the square number is, the perfect square number is 36 equal to 6 square. From the square root of 36 equal to 6. It is the square root number. It is the square root. This is the perfect square. Perfect square is 36. Perfect square number is 36. Square root of square number 36 is 6. This is the solution. Second problem, that is 2925. Second one, 2925. So here 5 is in ones place means we choose the number is 5. Why? Because by the divisibility rule, 5 is in ones place or 0 is in ones place, it is divided with the 5 only. So 5 5s are 25, 4 is the remainder, 5 8s are 40, 2 is the remainder, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 is in ones place. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Here 3 threes are 9, 2 is the remainder, 3 nines are 27. Again 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 2925 can be written as 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13. Here 13 is not in pair. So we should divide 2925 with smallest whole number 7. Sorry, smallest whole number 13. Okay. So here 2925 is divided with 13 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13 divided with 13. 13 ones are 13 ones are. Here 13 twos are 26. Here 3 is the remainder 32. Again 32 twos are 26. 6 is the remainder. 13 fives are 65. It is equal to 5 into 3 whole square is equal to 15 square. Therefore, square number equal to 225. Square root of 225 equal to 15. That is under root of 225 is equal to 15. Is the solution. Third one, 2645. Third one, 2645. It is also 5 is in units place means it's divided with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45. Here 3 means check with 3. 3 ones are 3, it's 22. 3 means 11, 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. And, it's, 2 and 3 are not, then 6 is not, 5 is not, 9 is not, then 7. 7 means 7, 7 is 49. 49 means 3 will come, 39. No, it's 7 not, 11. 11 means 11 4 the 44. 44 means it's 8, 89. No, 13. 13 means 13 4 the 12, 52. It's not. Okay. 529. Is it any ways? Here 13. It's not. 13 13 the 169. So it is not divisible. 17 is also not divisible. Why? Because 14 is an even number, 15 is a multiple of 5, 16 is multiple of 2, 17 we check out. 17 is also not divisible. 18, 19 is also not divisible. Why? Because 9 9 the 81 is there. 20 not. 21 is also 441. So we know that the prime numbers. Perfect square. 23 square is 529. So it is 23 into 23. So here 2645 can be right as a factors 5 into 23 into 23. Okay. Here 5 is not in pair. So 2000 we divide 2645 with smallest whole number 5. So 2645 is divided with 5. It is equal to 5 into 23 into 23 divided with 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Here 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10, 5 nines are 45. It is equal to 23 whole square. So here the perfect square number, equal to 529. The square root of perfect square number is equal to 23, is a square root of 529. It is the solution.